Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're having a good week so far. My name's Sean, I'm a member of the maths team at City College Plymouth, and I also work closely with the amazing Maths Centre of Excellence. I'm here to do another bit of maths magic with you, okay? So I hope you're paying attention, hope you can keep track. Let's see if we can do this, okay? So what I'm asking you to do is think of any number, or write a number down. Write any number you like down, okay? Now on this one, try not to make it too big, because we've got quite a few things to do to this number, okay? So maybe keep it as a single digit number. First one I'm asking you to do is add 10, okay? So you've got your start number. The first thing I'm asking you to do is add 10 to it, okay? Now once you've added 10 to it, this is why I'm not asking you to make it too big. I'm going to ask you to treble that number. So you're going to multiply it by 3, okay? Start number, add 10, and then you're going to treble it. Now after you've trebled it, I want you to add the number you thought of at the start, your first number. I'd like you to add that number to what you've got so far. Okay? Another thing we're going to do next, we're going to add 30 to it. So you can see this is going to be quite a big number, but hopefully you're happy so far. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to divide it by 4. Okay, I'm going to divide that number by 4. And the last thing I want to get you to do is subtract your start number. So you're not adding it on like you did before. Whatever number you started with, I'm going to ask you to take that number away. Now again, I'm thinking, I'm hoping, I'm praying, you've all got 15. I'm hoping you have, because that's what everyone should have after you've done that. Okay? Now again, I'm going to show you how that works by using a bit of algebra. Okay? So just watch and see if you're happy with what I'm doing here. I've got my start number. I'm going to call it n. Okay? I like using this n, but that's what it's going to be. We're going to use n. Now I'm going to add 10 to that n. So I've got n plus 10. Now I've got to treble that expression. Well, if I treble both of these, if I treble n, I'll get a 3n. If I treble positive 10 or plus 10, I'll get a plus 30. So hopefully you're happy so far. Then I'm going to add my start number. Well, if I started with n, and I'm adding an n to a 3n, hope you're happy, I have a 4n plus 30. Next thing I'm doing, I'm adding 30 to what's going on over here. So I'm adding 30 to 30, now I've got 60. So 4n plus 60. Now I've got to divide by 4. Okay? If I divide this by 4, that's going to be n on its own if I divide 4n by 4. And if I divide 60 by 4, I'll get 15. Okay? And the last thing I asked you to do was subtract your start number. So if you start with n, you're going to take away an n, you're left with 15 at the end. And that's the way it works. So I hope that made sense. I hope you enjoyed that. Tune in again next week. There'll be some more maths magic. But thanks for watching. That's all, folks.